Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create the AI manga comic page effect. It's a super trending AI photo styles that turns your picture into a full manga comic page. And here we were gonna do it using Gemini, powered by brand new Nano image tool. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini through your browser, or you can access it through the app like this, and then just log in with your Google account. And once you just tap on create image, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is Google News feature that lets you edit or generate photo instantly just by using a prompt. Next, just upload your portrait photo. You can use any picture, but make sure your face is clear and valid, because the AI will use it as a reference for the main character in your manga page. And just tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just choose your photo. And once uploaded, we are ready to write the prompt. Before, I already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt by screenshot this image and then just use it. Or you can also tweak the prompt as you like. Maybe change these styles to romantic actions or slice of life. Just set it as you like. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. Just look the result. It looks just like the real manga page, and it looks super cool. It's like a part of the comics. And so that's how you can make the AI manga comics page effect using Gemini and Nano tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!